Welcome to D2 Trailer Sales. My name is Ryan. I'm going to show you this 3-horse XT Exiss. What it means by XT is that it has an extruded aluminum skin on both sides, which is very heavy duty and durable. We're going to jump into the tack room. Nice and spacious. You have your blanket bar on the left, bridle hooks, 3-tier saddle rack that's fully adjustable. You do have a clothes rod, spare tire, as well as a brush box. In the left corner here, you can actually fit a nice sized water tank. You have running boards on both sides of the trailer. Some nice aluminum wheels. Sliding butt windows. Moving around to the back, you have the 60-40 door setup, so 60% for the horses, 40% for the rear tack. Let's open up the rear tack. This is a collapsible rear tack. So just by that pin right there at the top and the bottom, you pull those and it collapses on in. If you had it set up like the rear tack right now, you can grab that saddle rack from the front, move it to the back, giving you space up in the front tack, and also making it easier for you to grab the saddles and put them on your horse. Exiss is an all aluminum frame and structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor horse trailer, so it won't rust and it's very lightweight. We have double wall on the head and butt side, so if your horse's kick or hoof, it's not going to show on the outside, and it's very safe for your horses. We have roof fence over each horse stall. This is called the airflow divider, so that just what they're called. The air actually goes through all the horse stalls, giving you more airflow for those horses. On the back, you have a rear load light. That is a nice bright LED. LED lights around the whole trailer. On the head side, you do have drop-down windows for each stall. And they just pop right back up in. Super easy to haul horse trailer, very lightweight, won't rust. Give us a call if you have any questions.